What you see here is a unique product and unique in its kind. Washer 120 is an electric sink, the first product of the project module. Its height and depth, however, make it an outstanding product compared to the other elements of the kitchen. It is neither a built-in product nor a freestanding product, but it is an in-free product. It is in because it is part of the kitchen, giving it value and prestige, and it is free because it is free from the constraints of mounting, thus allowing a certain degree of freedom for its location and customization. The washing block is made of Vitrotech, an exclusive material patented by Electrosink, and it is composed of pure glass beads that allow a highly hygienic and antibacterial surface, much smoother with a silk effect, while keeping the characteristics of resistance to high temperatures, scratching and staining. On the front side of the sink there is the touch control panel that controls the functions of the electrical mixer in terms of flow and temperature. And such functions can also be found on the mixer shower head, which are illuminated to indicate the temperature, blue in the case of cold water and red in the case of hot water. On the back of the sink, last but not least, is placed the innovative modular accessories area, which can be customized by several elements: soap dispenser, cutlery dish and glass drains, etc. The tank is also equipped with the drain to drain excess water. As you can see, the mixer is flexible to reach all parts of the basins, and it is made of silicone, an innovative material used in the kitchen. The panel also controls the discharge of water through the SI-OR patented system low obstruction discharge, which maximizes the portion below the sink due to the limited 4 cm obstruction. It follows an optimization of the spaces of the tanks because the grill, replacing the traditional drain, is placed on the side, thus giving both higher speed of runoff water, 60 litres a minute, and a better appearance to the tanks since the overflow hole disappears. Most importantly, it gives a better exploitation and use of the space below by customizing this space with accessorized drawers, as is best in this case, or whatever you want. We have 5 drawers with a total volume of 180 litres, equipped with electro guides which allow a maximum sliding movement and comfort in opening and closing. On the right side of the sink you can find the Ecofunctional area of the product. This area is managed by a control panel, 5 buttons for the 3 different components. This control panel has the key lock function. You can block the functioning of the entire upper part of the Washer 120. This looks like a shower head, but in reality it is a used oil aspirator. Perhaps it is not well known that used oil is a pollutant. Just think that 1 litre of oil causes pollution of 1 square kilometre of water, making it unfit for drinking and forming a film which hinders the oxygenation of the water in rivers and lakes. The oil should be disposed of without pouring it in the sink. In fact, it clogs the pipes and causes problems even for more sophisticated oil cleaners. The correct method of disposal is to place it in a container and bring it to the waste separation, or, depending on the country, throw it in the regular trash. It should be noted, moreover, that the vegetable oil can be recycled to make soap and biodiesel. So with this in mind, the oil is collected in a tank equipped with a level system, as you can see, which beeps when this tank should be disposed of. Another eco-friendly element of the Washer 120 is this ultrasonic washing tank. How does it work? High-frequency vibrations, the ultrasound, are emitted inside the tub full of water as soon as the button on the front panel is switched on. Technology has allowed this electrical signal to be transformed in mechanical energy. The mechanical energy of the vibrations spreads uniformly throughout a container, and the high frequency produces the familiar phenomenon of cavitation, that is, the pressure waves that give rise to the formation of the microscopic bubbles that implode. The impact energy of these implosions increases the effectiveness of the cleaning system, penetrating to the smallest pores, cracks and cavities of an object, even for those with irregular and complex geometry, which cannot be satisfactorily treated with traditional methods. It would be impossible to list all the areas where the use of ultrasound is necessary. Applications are varied, to name but a few: the business sector, jewellery, optical, electronics, renovation, chemical, surgical instruments, but never so far in the kitchen. We can clean and degrease objects, cutlery, fruit and vegetables. Why ecological? Because the entire cleaning process takes place only with the use of water without adding chemicals or cleaning agents, and we also have a lower consumption of water. This can also be used as a service basin, since it is equipped with a loading and unloading water system and is equipped with functions regulated by the touch panel that you can find here in front. This is the food disposer, commonly known as garbage disposal unit. This system involves the fact that humid waste is no longer collected in special containers, simply because it removes the humid waste by placing it inside and activating the appropriate button that allows the grinding mechanism to start. The garbage disposal unit or food disposer is normally installed under the sink next to the discharge unit. Generally, it minces food waste, not with blades but through metal discs, which, continuously spinning, push the leftovers against the side walls, thus reducing the substances to pulp. In this case, the position is the innovation. By activating the control panel button placed in the front, the release of water is activated, enabling the running water to take away all the waste which is disposed of through the drain. In doing so, 60% of food waste is reduced, and all bad smells are eliminated as a consequence. Here, in the drawer below, there is the garbage can for the waste separation. As you can see, Washer 120 is a product in great demand and is the result of perfect harmony between aesthetics and technology, thanks to the refinement of materials, design, details that make it part of the washing of the future. The flexibility of the product Washer 120 is also given by the combinations of the block, the cabinet below, accessories and the electric mixer. White or black for the block in Vitroltech, finishing with carbon or aluminium effect for the painting of the cabinet, chrome, white or black for the electric mixer. Accessories are chrome.